It's easy to say Allah knows everything. Easy to say. But then people are like, easy to say Allah is fair, Allah is just. And then people say, oh, Saad, some people, they do really bad things, but they don't look like they get punished. Like, how come? Why is Allah doing that? Like, doesn't He know that they did something bad? And I'm like, do you know what you're saying? Who are you talking about here? You're talking about Allah, and you're saying, doesn't He know? You don't know the answer to that question? You don't already know that He knows? And then you're like, yeah, but what Allah is gonna like punish them on Judgment Day or what? Oh, so He has to explain to you what He's gonna do. This is how this works. Because when Judgment Day begins and everybody's about to be judged, you're like, hold on Allah, I just want to make sure this guy who stole my ketchup from McDonald's gets what he deserves. Now we may begin. We have this sense of entitlement that somehow Allah owes us an explanation. Allah says, Allah is not going to be one to inform you of what He does in the unseen. Why does He have to tell you? And this disease that we have now, that things happen in my life, things happen in your life. And people really question a lot, why did that happen? Why did that happen to me, right? And then they say, my faith is in crisis until Allah reveals to me the secret behind why this happened to me. Until I know why this happened to me, I don't know if I can trust Allah. Because I don't see the logic in it. He needs to convince me of His logic before I can move on. This is the height of arrogance. And it's also, it's our dissatisfaction, but we allow it to turn into arrogance. Ar-Rabbu Rabb. The Master is the Master. He doesn't owe me an explanation. I have to humble myself before Him. When I was teaching Surah Al-Dhariyat, Ibrahim a.s. wife was very old, you know that, right? And Allah sent the angels, and what did the angels tell her? You're gonna have a baby. She could have been like, oh yeah? Now? Well, I was 20, I was 21, 22, 30, 40. You want to come tell me I'm going to have a baby when I can't even sit down without my bones cracking? Now I'm going to have a baby? This is wisdom? This is what wisdom looks like? This is Allah's plan? Huh? She could have done that, yes or no? Because can she see the logic in it? No. Can anybody see the logic in that? No. All these years I'm living in depression because I can't give Ibrahim a.s. a child. And now when I'm probably going to die before he gets old, now you're going to give me a child. What does the angel say to her? كَذَلِكِ قَالَ رَبُّكِ إِنَّهُ هُوَ الْحَكِيمُ الْعَلِيمُ. This is exactly how your Master said it. We're just delivering the news. I didn't come up with the policy. I'm here to deliver the package. Just what I'm... كَذَلِكِ قَالَ رَبُّكِ. He has all the wisdom and He knows. Meaning, you need to trust what? The wisdom of Allah. The wisdom of Allah is perfect. The knowledge of Allah is perfect. It's not like He didn't know my situation and then He made this decision. Or He didn't consider everything before He made a decision. He makes a decision knowing everything. I'm the one who has lack in knowledge, not Him. I'm the one who has lack in wisdom, not Him. This is part of the tasbih of Allah. The absolute flawless nature of His Lordship. So the word tasbih has also been used to describe the greatness of Allah. But that's the secondary meaning. The first meaning is we never think or say something about Allah that is less than perfect of Him.